All right, so I've got the surface painted. Like I said, I can come back, kind of babysit it a little bit. As the epoxy runs down into this little void, I can just keep picking it up, bringing it up on the side until it gets to the point where it's thick enough where I don't believe it's running anymore. Same thing with my basin. Now I'm going to try to use as little heat as possible. The more heat that I use on this, the more my epoxy is going to get fluid and run down into the sink. All right, so I'm going to let this set up for about 12 hours. You could definitely do it overnight, but I'm going to try to hit that window to where this coat is still a little bit tacky, and I can come over it with my second coat of clear, and I don't have to sand. Now, if I wait for 24 hours where this is really hard, then I'm going to want to scuff sand it and then apply my second clear coat. Okay, guys, I hope you like this video. It was a lot of fun. I know it's quite a few steps to do this, but if you can save a vanity that has this type of integrated sink and really make it pop, it is worth it. No one else will have one like it, I promise you. All right, so what the next step will be for us on this will be tomorrow, I'll scuff sand it and I'll pour a flood coat, and that's gonna really make this look like glass and feel like glass. It'll fill in all of the highs and lows that the texture created. And then we will come back in with the ultimate top coat. I'm not really sure what we'll do on this. I'll probably leave it up to our next class that we're gonna have next month. Let them maybe practice on doing the UTC. Haven't really decided yet. But since this was just a sample for me to bring to you guys, it's all up in the air. I'm not sure what we're gonna do. All right, guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Also, we are going to start doing our Tuesday night lives here on YouTube. We used to do them on Facebook, but now they're going to be here on YouTube every Tuesday night at 7 p.m. So join us live. We would love to see you. Also, all these products can be found either on my website, RK3designs.com, or you can go to my website, click the affiliated page, and it'll take you to Artistic Painting Studio. There, she'll have all the foils, the adhesives, the paints, all kind of good stuff. So check out Jennifer Ferguson with Artistic Painting Studio. All right, guys, until the next video, you know what's up. Don't be scared, move forward, and be creative.